Hello everyone, my name is Suyas Sajud. First of all, welcome to you all for my YouTube channel. So today I am here to motivate someone because she is my friend, so that's why I have to motivate him. And let's go to do a conversation with her. Hello Sonal,
Hello, Suyas.
how are you?
I'm good, but not that much.
Why? Because whenever I saw you, you are just having a healthy smile on your face,
Yeah.
but from some days you are not smiling that much, and I think you are getting little bit depressed about something.
Yeah, you are right because I had been preparing for my NEET exam
Yeah.
since 2 years, but I didn't get selected. This time I also got failed. So I feel like this NEET is not for me. I feel like that.
No, NEET is for you because I think you are preparing for the last since 3 years,
Yeah,
and because you are doing for yourself. It is your dream.
Definitely.
You should have to be prepared for it again. But there is something missing in the environment of the NEET because they are leaking their paper, and when the people are preparing for the NEET and they give their exam, and they after that they know the exam is not concluded. At that point, everyone gets depressed. But you should have to be motivated
yeah.
for your upcoming exam because are you preparing for the next year or not?
No, still means right now I am not preparing because I feel like what I said in my last statement
Yeah.
that it is not for me because I spent my 3 years for this exam, but I found no selection there.
If I give my opinion, you should have to prepare for yourself. I think you give your last 3 years for preparing your NEET,
Yes,
and you have that much of basic and that of much of quality of knowledge about the things
yeah,
what they gave in the exam, and you should have to prepare for. At least you should have to try once more because you are the one who cracked the exam. Right?
yeah. I feel it sometimes that I am the one who can crack it, and I believe in myself also. But when I look to my friends, they are already selected in NEET,
Yeah.
and I am at the same point what I am on the last 3 years. So I am at the same point. So I feel like they are growing too faster, and I don't done anything in my
I
life.
think there are something different for you, and you got. I think you prepare for this time NEET. You got the great and the good college than your friends. And I think for my side, you should have to prepare, and you should have to be stay motivated with your motivation and prepare for one more time.
So can you suggest me then how can I motivate myself? Like I motivate myself today, but from the next day I will become at the same like the same situation comes on me. So how can I can be motivated for the whole year?
You should. First of all, the motivation is a temporary thing.
Yeah,
For the preparation, we should have to be consistent with our work. We should have to be consistent with what we have the schedule of our. So motivation is a temporary, but how can you motivate? I think you should have to see your parents.
Yeah.
They are doing everything for you.
yeah, definitely they are.
That's
doing.
why I think this is a great motivation for you because your parent is doing everything and little things. When we saw our mother just woke up at the 5 a.m. and
Yeah.
preparing lunch for us and do everything, the clothes and the things. Our father went to their office, worked hard for us. I think this is the one who motivates me every point. I think this is also help you to motivate you.
Yeah, you are saying right, Suresh, but sometimes I lose my confidence also. Like when I will go somewhere and the people are asking me about that, are you selected? Are you selected? When they said these things to me, then this hits me too much,
I think
and I feel demotivated.
people are the one who always put yourself down.
Yeah,
Because they know if you crack the NEET, you are
Yeah.
the one who just top notch of your
Yeah.
family, and they I think they are the jealous one. So they every time put you down and down because if you they try to see you, are you able to crack? So you should have to be give the reply on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am the capable.
Yeah.
I have cracked this NEET.
So what I need to do this?
I think you should have to give one more chance to yourself
Yeah.
for the NEET and stay confident and consistent with your preparation. Whenever you feel low
Yeah.
or just you stuck at that point, just call me and or just said, so yes, just I am feeling this kind of problem in my life and just I stuck at that point. So can you please give me a suggestion? How can I go with these kind of things? I will always there for you. So that's it.
Yeah, Shreyas, from your words, I feel so confident right now.
Yeah.
So I will try next time also.
Yeah.
So thank you for motivating me, and
No.
you are the good friend to me also.
No need to say thank you because I am your friend. Friends are those who help someone in their lowest. Because
Yeah.
friends, no need to say thanks to the friends. I think this is the name of the friendship.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.